Do you think a flight's pre-boarding process is more time-consuming than the flight itself? A 1-hour flight requires 3+ hours of pre-boarding hassle. But not anymore. Introducing AI and blockchain-based boarding. We leverage AI and blockchain to reduce the pre-boarding time by 80%. Wondering how it works? The user registers to the system, uploads their ID and scans their face in real time. This information will be stored in the blockchain and a unique key will be assigned to the user. Once the user completes the sign-up, the user can book flights using their blockchain wallet and their information will be automatically uploaded. At the airport, the user needs to scan the unique key and show their face to get verified. Upon verification, the kiosk will print bag tags which will be used for tracking and safety. Advantages: saves users time, no multiple verifications, reduction in staff, one source of data and information, decentralized verification, and no hustle in baggage tracking.
So this is a brief report to show the departure delay of flights in US between 2015 to 20. It has 6 paradigms. And in the next report we have given how much time is wasted for each of the flights. So on an average for 1 hour journey, 1 hour 40 minutes is being spent on check-in time, and approximately 1 hour is being dedicated on average airport exit time. So this is the forecast. After our process, all the check-in time and airport exit time will improve. So this with the process which we want to introduce with the AI and blockchain. So this is the local instance of blockchain running.
So this is the registration portal where I'll be entering my name, I'll be entering my Aadhaar number, I'll be entering my passport number. Then I can upload my Aadhaar here, even I can upload my image here. So for the data confidentiality, image would not be directly stored. It would be converted into image matrix, which facial recognition system converts it, and then it would be stored on the blockchain. So I'm already registered. It shows me the QR code and my address where my information are being stored. So this is a notification how it comes for the MetaMask. So this is the IoT setup for the project. So what we have done is we've connected Arduino with ESP32 cam so that real-time streaming would be there and it would be able to capture the photo and the barcode for the person. So now let's move on to the web server. So if you see here, this is our web server screen, which is having Aviathon Quickboard app and a brief introduction about it. So once I click on capture the photo, so it captures the photo. Okay, and if I refresh the page, I'll be able to see my photo. So first step would be person would be capturing their photo. Next step would be they would be capturing their Ethereum key. So this is Ethereum or blockchain key, which is a unique identifier for them. So they will be capturing this, and in this process, both the things would be captured and there would be a block trigger which would be sent to Azure function to recognize on real time what things.